Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn geography. Already you learn earth shape, crust, core, mantle. Next, earthquake. Now, causes of earthquake. The chief causes of earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth's crust along the fracture or fault. Next, effect of earthquakes. Earthquakes may be cause change in the earth surface, vibration of the said landslides in mountains regions. A greater danger an earthquake is falling or building. More earthquake is come, more building also fall. Most of the houses which collapse were made of mud and bricks and proved to be death traps. Next, distribution of earthquake. The world distribution of earthquakes coincide very closely with that of volcanoes. Regions of craters similarity or circum-Pacific areas with the epicenter and the most frequent occurrences along the Pacific Ring of Fire. You see the map, then 7 continents you will have, then North America, South America, Africa, European, Asia, Australia. You Mount Fuji and African plateau, South American plateau. Some are have, you change one place to one place, we have the earthquake will come. Next, volcanoes. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth's crust through the which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The opening is usually circular in form. Earth volcanoes you already see எரிமலை சடனாக வந்து என்னது வெடிக்கக்கூடிய போகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ see the pictures. மேக்மா அதனுடைய அந்த குழம்பு தீக்குழம்பு வந்து எப்படி வெளியில் வருது, எந்த வழியில் வந்து என்ன மாதிரி உள்ள சர்க்குலேஷன் நடக்குது. In course of time, lava and other materials flow out of a volcano, accumulate around the opening, form conical hill or mountain vent is an opening or mouth of volcano. Next, causes of volcanic activity. The temperature increases at the depth increases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 32 meters. There is also great pressure. At a depth of about 15 kilometers, the pressure is about 5 tons per centimeter square rock. Next, nature of volcanic eruption. Sometimes magma rises slowly to the surface and spread over the vast area. This is known as fissure eruption. Some plateau and plains had been formed in this way. Example, Deccan Plateau in India and Columbian Plateau in North America. Next, types of volcanoes. The shape of a volcano depends on the type of lava and the force of the eruption. On the basis of shape, there are 3 types of volcanoes. There are shield volcano, cinder cone volcano, combustible volcano. Shield volcano. See the pictures. Next, cinder volcanoes. Next, combustible volcano. Next, distribution of volcanoes in the world. Volcanoes are located in the clearly defined pattern around the world. They are closely related to regions that have been intensely folded or faulted. Next, three types of circum-Pacific belt, the mid-continental belt, third, the mid-Atlantic belt. First, the circum-Pacific belt. This is the volcano zone of the convergent oceanic plate boundary. It includes the volcanoes of the eastern and western coastal areas of Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ring of Fire. Second, mid-continental belt. This is the volcanic zone of convergent continental plate boundaries that includes the volcanoes of alpine mountain chains, the Mediterranean Sea fault zone of eastern Africa. See the map. Asia, Europe, Africa, and North America and South America, Australia. You see the pictures. Last, mid-Atlantic belt. This belt represents divergent boundary of plates located along the mid-Atlantic ridge. Volcanoes of this area are mainly of fissures eruption type. Thank you, students.